Imagine a place so strange, so alien that the very laws of physics begin to break down. A place where time stretches, space curves infinitely, and gravity becomes so powerful that nothing can escape, not even light. That place is a black hole. But what if it's also a doorway, a cosmic tunnel to somewhere else, maybe even another universe? Today we're diving deep into one of the most mind-bending possibilities in astrophysics. Can a black hole teleport you to another universe? When you fall into a black hole, you first cross the event horizon, the point of no return. But here's the weird part. From your perspective, as you fall in, time might appear to pass normally. But to the outside world, you seem to freeze in place. Light from your body stretches and fades. You slowly vanish. As you fall deeper, the gravitational pull becomes unimaginably intense. You're stretched like spaghetti, a process scientists call spaghettification. But here's where theories start to diverge. Some physicists speculate that black holes might be connected to something called a wormhole, a tunnel through space-time that could lead to a distant point in space, or even another universe entirely. This idea isn't just science fiction. In Einstein's theory of general relativity, wormholes are mathematically possible. But here's the catch. They might be wildly unstable. You'd need something exotic, called negative energy, to hold the tunnel open. Without it, the wormhole would collapse before you could travel through. Still, if nature found a way to stabilize them, black holes could be more than just cosmic traps. They could be portals. Here's a wild idea. What if every black hole has a twin on the other side? Physicists have imagined something called a white hole, the reverse of a black hole. Instead of sucking in matter, it violently spews it out. Nothing can enter it, only exit. Some theories suggest that matter falling into a black hole in our universe could emerge from a white hole in another. That's right, one-way teleportation. This forms a bridge, black hole on one side, white hole on the other, possibly connecting different regions of our universe, or entirely separate universes. Now let's push the limits of imagination even further. What if every black hole spawns a new universe inside? This isn't just fantasy. Some cosmologists believe that black holes could be seeds for new Big Bangs. Think about it. Inside a black hole, matter is compressed into a single point, a singularity. That's exactly how our universe began. So, what if that singularity isn't the end of matter, but the beginning of another universe, a child universe, budding from ours? If so, our universe could be inside a black hole in another older universe. Mind blown. Teleportation or disintegration? Of course, the big question is, would you survive the trip? Right now, the answer leans toward no. Any object, especially a person, falling into a black hole would be crushed by tidal forces long before it could reach a wormhole or white hole. And there's no guarantee that what enters even stays intact. Quantum information might be scrambled or erased altogether. But quantum physics throws a wrench in that. According to the information paradox, black holes shouldn't destroy information. Somehow it must be preserved, maybe holographically encoded on the event horizon or perhaps transported elsewhere. Could that elsewhere be another universe? What quantum gravity might reveal. Today, one of the biggest mysteries in physics is how to unify quantum mechanics and gravity, what we call quantum gravity. This theory might finally explain what happens inside black holes. Some physicists believe that quantum effects might smooth out the singularity at the center. Instead of a crushing point, the core might be a bounce, a quantum tunnel to another region of space-time. In other words, teleportation, not annihilation. Could we ever prove it? That's the trillion-dollar question. Right now, we can't see past the event horizon of any black hole. It's like a one-way mirror. Whatever happens inside remains hidden. But with gravitational wave detectors like LIGO and Virgo, we're starting to listen to black holes as they merge and ripple the fabric of space. Future space telescopes might detect strange patterns, echoes, bursts, or radiation signatures that hint at deeper mysteries. And one day, quantum simulations could let us model black holes in ways we never thought possible. So, can a black hole teleport you? The answer is maybe. The laws of physics don't forbid it. Our best theories suggest it could happen under the right conditions. Black holes might not just be cosmic tombs. They could be cosmic gateways, to other places, other times, even other universes. Right now, we're standing at the edge of knowledge, peering into the dark, waiting for light. If teleporting through a black hole to another universe is even remotely possible, it changes everything. It means the universe is far stranger and more connected than we ever imagined. So, would you take the plunge? Let us know in the comments below. And for more videos like this, visit and subscribe to Knowledge Hub.